How to get high pay local SEO clients part 2. This is Matteo from GMB Crash and welcome into a new video training episode. So on the part 1 of the how to get high pay local SEO clients video, we have seen together how to leverage the lead generation feature of GMB Crash, the so-called extension X. So basically, by using the extension X of GMB Crash, you can find up to 400 unclaimed Google business profile on multiple recession-proof industry business niches, so that you can turn those unclaimed Google business profile into local SEO clients opportunities. So in the second part of the video today, we are going to see how to audit one Google business profile, any Google business profile of your choice. It doesn't matter if you have access to it or not, against the top 3 competitors already ranking in the local 3 pack. So as I recommend, as we have discussed in a previous video, as a very first step, you should launch a search using the extension X, the lead generation feature, the lead generation tool of GMB Crash, to find unclaimed Google business profile. You should outreach them, asking them if they are still in business, so that you can engage in a discussion with the business owner through the contact form on the website or via social media or LinkedIn. And once they reply to you, once they respond to you, you can create a quick Google business audit, and you can show them all the areas that needs to be improved in order to be competitive and get that visibility that the clients, the company is seeking for. Okay, so I will show you now how to audit, how to compare one Google business profile, any Google business profile of your choice, against the top 3 competitors, so that you can see how that specific profile that you have chosen, it's stacking up against the top 3. And additionally, here Michael is also asking if right after auditing the site and the Google business profile with the GMB Miner, so the GMB Miner is an additional feature of GMB Crash that allows you to perform, as I said before, Google business profile audit, if it should also outreach them by following the prompt document, the prompts that I have already included into the XL lead generation training. Yes. So as a second step, we should audit the site and the Google business profile of those potential prospects, and use the ChatGPT prompts that I have already included in the XXL training. Send them a report with GMB Crash, because once you have created the report with the GMB Miner feature of GMB Crash, you can additionally customize the report. You can include your company logo, your company name. You can craft a quick SEO proposal using the same audit data on GMB Crash from the wizard report. And I will show you also how to work this specific aspect in the GMB audit report, so that you can see in details how you can create a pitch deck within the GMB audit report without leaving the platform. Let's see what else. Michael is asking if I can close them, use the local entities, booster ChatGPT prompts to find out a bunch about their space. Yes, you can also use all the prompts that I already include in the local entities booster ChatGPT training. And you can additionally embed a video report, a walkthrough video in the GMB audit report, so that you can explain step by step all the points that needs to be improved. And yes, you can also additionally sell them Facebook ads, a new website, or regular SEO as well. Okay, so let's go back to the GMB Crash software. Before to jump straight into the second part of this video. I just want to show you a specific listing that is using markdown language in the title of the Google Business Profile. Look at this, and guess what? They are also using markdown language into the business post, right? We got several questions about monthly users and all the other users in the GMB Crushers Facebook group, and they say, Matt, I already tried in so many ways, not possible, how we can do that. I would like to insert, I would like to also use markdown language in the Google Business Post. It doesn't work, I try myself, and etc, and etc. So the answer, guys, it's here. It's here in the unfiltered version of the King Kong Power training course. So we have an offer that expires in a couple of days, where you can basically pick up any yearly plan of your choice of GMB Crush by using the King Kong Limited 10 coupon. You basically purchase 1 year plan of your choice just for this month, just for June 2023. You purchase one plan of your choice, you insert that King Kong Limited 10 coupon at the checkout, you get a nice, a sweet 10% off from the final price. And once you have done that, you will get access to 83 training videos, including the unfiltered version of the King Kong Power training course, where I teach you how to use markdown language in Google Business Post, how to craft Google Business Posts that are moving the needle, how you can create GMB post silos to move the needle and improve and boost your ranking locally. You get access to the whole library of rank training courses of GMB Crush and to all the premium SEO features of GMB Crush, which including the GeoGrid scan report, the GBP audit report, the pitch deck feature where you can create stunning SEO proposals using GMB Crush, and so on. Please have a look at the pricing page, and if you have any question, please contact us at the GMB Crushers Facebook group so that I can reply in real time to all your questions. So back to the video. Let me close this, let me close also the pricing page, let me close this. Once again, once you have already find which listings are in the 3-pack or are very close in the 3-pack and are still unclaimed Google Business Profile listings, such as this one, Designer Pool of Miami, spot number 4, claim no. Okay, so the spot number 4 is still unclaimed, the spot number 18 is still unclaimed. You got a phone number. Most oftenly you also get the website's details, so you can easily outreach via the contact form and do all the steps that I showed you in the previous video. But let's go now to the GMB Miner feature of GMB Crush, which is the feature within the software that allows you to perform Google Business Audit and show all your clients what they need to do, what are their strengths, their weaknesses, on which areas should they work in order to get an improvement and get that nice boost in terms of ranking and local visibility. Okay, so once you are logged inside GMB Crush, you click to the GMB Miner, you input a keyword, let's say custom pool builder Miami. Okay, so in the second step you need to select the device. In this case I will choose to pull out all the data from a mobile devices. Okay, Miami. We can also remove the geolocation here. We go broad and we select as centroid of the search Miami, so search location Miami. And I also would like to associate a GeoGrid option to this audit to the Google Business Profile that I will choose to compare in the second step against the top 3 competitors. Okay, so at this stage we need to validate our chosen location, in this case Miami, Florida. I will grab a nice 5 kilometer GeoGrid option to associate GeoGrid data, GeoGrid scans data points to the Google Business Profile that I will select now in the second step. So in the second step, we need to choose the single Google Business Profile that we want to compare, as I said before, against the top 3. If you already import and synchronize Google Business Profile, the profiles that you have access to it as a manager or as a business owner, you can click to existing My GMB and you can select the previous business profile that you have already imported by using the My GMB section. If you don't have access to a specific profile, if there is a specific property that you are seeking to audit and so on, you can grab the results from page 1 and page 2, or you can search for a specific property here, Bajaj typing pool, Miami. You can search for any property here, okay? And if you cannot find a specific property by using the search property or the results, or picking up a result from the From Results tab, you can specifically search for a business profile by using the By CID function. You need to grab the CID of the business profile that you are that you want to audit. You copy and you paste it here and you select. But let's say that we already engaged in a discussion with designer pools of Miami, so I will select them, and I would like to compare designer pools of Miami against the top 3 competitors. Okay, I select them. Also, the system is asking for confirmation. You press the go button once you have composed your top 3 competitors listings, and and GMB Crash now it's fetching and collecting all the data related not only to each Google Business Profile, but to all the website, to each website linked to each Google Business Profile. So we are now collecting all the Google Business Profile data from Custom Pools Miami, and all the metrics, all the data related to website metrics and performances in terms of indexed pages, how fast the website is, and so on. And we are also pulling out the data from the selected Google My Business Profile that we are comparing against the top 3. Okay, so at this stage, the speed depends by the amount of data from each website and each Google Business Profile. Sometimes the system is a little bit slow based on the amount of Google Business posts that each single profile have already published. I will show you. There is a specific section in the GMB Crash Audit report where we are pulling out data from Google Business Posts and etc. Okay, so once this is done, you can scroll down if you want to get insights, quick insights on the GeoGrid. You can simply scroll down a bit. So we are collecting data, GeoGrid ranking data, not only for your selected Google Business Profile, but also for all the competitors. Okay, look at this. So the Google Business Profile that is using Markdown language here, it's also using an exact match. It's also using Markdown language in the Google Business Post, and it's the listing that is ranking on number 2 for the center of the search, but it's ranking number 1 for 99% of the other area. Okay, weird, right? Okay, so back to the topic. Once you have done that, you go up and you click Wizard. So once you click Wizard, you can generate a quick GBP audit report, and you can see that designer pool of Miami have an overall score of 8% optimization, and there are probably many things that needs to be addressed here. I also want to let you know that in the Organic Insights tab, it's now possible to see if any Google business profile that sits in the local 3-pack, it's also present, it's also ranking with a website in the organic search results, in the organic SERP of Google page 1. So as you can see, custom pools, it's ranking number 2 in the local 3-pack for the center of the search, for the center of Miami. But as we have seen before, it's ranking number 1 for the majority of the other cities, for the other areas. And it's also ranking on spot number 6 in on Google page 1 for the keyword, of course, for the keyword custom pool builder, okay? Location Miami. Okay, so let's scroll down. As you can see here, you can create this quick Google Business Audit report. You have all the GeoGrid data here, so all the all the data are centralized in the Wizard Audit report. You can check how the competitors are doing, how a specific listing is doing in terms of ranking. Additionally, if you want to see to which specific geography each ranking pin belongs to, you just select the pin, bam, and then you click to the backlink icon here, and we will determine to which specific location this geopin, this position, this ranking pin belongs to. So Custom Pools Miami is ranking number 1 in this specific location, West Little River, Florida, okay, and so on. We are working on this so that you can additionally download all the geo coordinates, and I will show you in the next video how you can use those geo coordinates to in ChatGPT to collect more data and refine and power up your location pages so that you can gain higher ranking on those locations organically by the Google page 1 and on the map in the local 3-pack. Okay, so back to the main topic of the video. As I said before, once you have generated the full report, you can click to share this report. Okay, so once you have done that, you can notice that next to each section there is a pencil icon. You click to the pencil icon. Here you can insert your company name. Let's say Ciao Local SEO for you. You can include here your company logo. You save the changes. Okay, so now every time you want to verify a specific edit that you already made, you just need to click again on this on the share this report URL, and as you can see, you can visualize the edit that you already made. Okay, you can do the same for all the other section, and let me show you now how you can go further by hiding or blurring a specific section. If for whatever reason you want to hide a specific section, you can click hidden, you click to save the changes, and bam, you want to verify the edit, you click to the share this report URL to verify the edit, and this section, the category section, as you can see here, it's gone. Okay, but if you want to leverage a specific section by including a call to action and blurring the section, because you know you want to motivate the prospect to contact you, because you know you want to push them on learning more about a specific section, you can select blur and you can say, please, to unlock this section, contact us today. button text, you can add here your favorite, your chosen CTA button, your chosen call to action button, contact us, and here you can simply insert the URL of the contact us page of your own website, and then you click save changes, right? So let me show you now what will happen. Let's verify the edit again. So we have blurred this section, and we are now telling the prospect that we received this report that, hey, if you want to unlock this section, you need to contact us today. So they need to contact you. Once they click this, they will be redirected to the page URL that you have previously inserted in the edit, during the edit process, and you can link to the contact us page of your website, or you can link to the messenger of your own Facebook profile, and so on. Okay, so you can do the same with all the other section. You can hide a section, you can blur a section, and you can insert your own call to action. Once again, you apply the changes, you apply the edit, and if you want to verify the edit, you need to click again to the URL, you scroll down, and you verify the edits that you already made. Okay, so let's say that you want to include, you want to craft a quick SEO proposal, you want to add a couple of words to this report. You come here to the choose pitch deck section, you choose the money science template. What the money science template is, so basically we already made a lot of tests before releasing the GMB Crash software, and we find out that this is the most the most converting template, excuse me, when it comes to lead generation, local SEO lead generation. So we noticed that this specific template was driving more conversion, and this is the main reason why we include it here for you. If you don't like the content here, if you want to apply any change, you go to edit, you go point the mouse here in any part of the report. You can modify the text, a mark, if you want to embed pictures or HTML code, or if you want to insert tables, or if you want to, add multiple elements here, you can also do that. Okay, you can modify all the variables within the brackets within here within the proposal by using your own details, for example, name of the website, name of the competitors, and so on. Here you can embed your Google Calendar or your favorite appointment calendar of appointments here directly in the proposal, and bam, you can use Loom. You can go to loom.com. You can use Loom to record a nice walkthrough video. You can show the prospect. You can show your clients, current clients, or potential clients, potential prospect, all your discovery in the audit. And once you have done that, you simply download the video, you publish it on YouTube, and then you grab the YouTube HTML code and you paste it here. So at this stage, you already create the audit proposal, you already craft the proposal by using the money science template. You already record a nice video walkthrough where you are going through the full GBP audit report, and you are explaining, telling your own story. You are telling the clients, the potential clients, what can you do for them? Are you gonna help them to achieve X results? What areas needs to be improved? In which way they are lacking? Why they are not visible? What they need to improve? All the things. You can craft your own story. You embed here the video, and now you have the possibility to again to copy the link. Okay, you copy the link here, you click to save the proposal, and you can copy the link and send the link to your clients. Okay, so why this is so helpful? So just imagine how long does it take, how long it will take for you to run an audit, to have all the data centralized here in a single page, how long it will take for you to go and audit every single element and have a nice visual design that you can offer to your prospect, that you can use in your SEO proposal, and to explain details, you know, to explain how you can help your prospect to achieve XYZ result and so on. So let's go back to the Facebook question. So yes, you should send them a report using GMB Crush. I already show you where you can include the pitch deck and the sticky notes in the process. Yes, once again, you can use all the prompts from the Local Entities Booster ChatGPT course. And yes, you can also upsell them Facebook ads. You can also offer them a new website in case the business profile, let's say that most of the time all the unclaimed business profile are coming with no website. So they have no website. You can offer them a free website, or you can offer them to run ads locally. You can offer them help to claim the Google business profile, and so on. So thank you again for watching. If you have any question, please let me know. I will be there for you. Talk soon, guys and girls. Cheers. Matteo.